Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel EK Kitchen. Today I am going to tell you how to make pav. You can use this for bun kebabs, pav bhaji and instead of dinner rolls as well. Let's see how we will make it. For this recipe we have 500 grams of flour. In the flour we will add 10 grams of yeast, 5 grams of bread improver, salt 10 grams. Never add salt in contact with yeast. Put it in the flour on any other opposite side. I have 20 grams of sugar which I will put over the yeast. Now we will start our stand mixer and start kneading the dough. For this recipe I am not going to tell you the measurement of water. I have 350 grams of water, but I will see how much my dough will need and I'll tell you about that.
One eternity later.
I have added 200 ml of water and mix it thoroughly in the flour. Now I am adding 30 ml of oil into it. After adding 30 ml of oil and mix it in the flour, I'll add 100 ml of more water. My dough is too much sticky, so I am adding 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, whole wheat flour to it. And then I'll take it out and shape it. Viewers, now I will take my dough on a flat surface. I have shaped it in a bowl. I have shaped it in a ball and now I will give it a rest of 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will cut the paws, shape them and let them rest and proof. Viewers, my dough has been rested for 15 minutes. Now I will cut the balls of 40 grams for making our paws. Viewers, I'm not cutting 40 grams, but I am cutting 50 grams of ball. Viewers, I have cut all the balls of 50 grams and now I will show you how to shape it. Viewers, I have greased my 9 by 13 inch pan. Now I will shape my paws and put in this pan. For the shaping, you can see how I will shape it. I close all the sides, make a round and then I will shape it in a lock. In this way, I'll make all my paws. In this way, I will put all the paws in the pan. Viewers, now I have shaped all my paves, put it in the pan, and now I will show you the further procedure. Now I will flatten my paves and put generous amount of oil on it. As we egg wash our burger buns or any other bread, I'm just washing my paves with the oil. Now I will cover this tray and let my pav to rise until double in shape. Then I will bake it on 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. We will bake it on slow temperature. Viewers, you can see the paves has been risen. Now we will bake it for 25 to 30 minutes on 180 degrees with fan setting on. Viewers, my paves are out of the oven. Now I will brush it with the oil. Viewers, my pav is ready. Do try it. Share your feedback with us. And if you like our videos, do like, share, and please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next video. Bye bye.